Ugh, these tenses. When to use them and where they come from. It's so confusing and irritating.
Rohan, what's wrong? Why are you so confused?
These tenses, Akshit. How will I know when to use them? It's confusing.
Rohan, don't worry. I'll help you understand tenses step by step. Tenses describe the time of an action, whether it's happening now, happened before, or will happen later. Present tense tells us what is happening now or in the present time. Like right now, we are sitting in the park and chatting. Past tense tells us what somebody did in the past time, like yesterday when I played chess in the park. Future tense tells us what somebody will do later on in the future, like we will go for picnic tomorrow. Here are the different forms of the verb be. Simple present is are, am. Simple past tense was, were. Simple future tense will, shall. Got it, Akshit? Let us read with the simple present, simple past and simple future tense forms of some verbs. Simple present tense blow, simple past tense blew, simple future tense will blow. Here are some more examples.
I got it. Present, past and future tense.
You're welcome, Rohan. Remember, learning takes time. Don't hesitate to ask if you're ever unsure.